What's up, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the very first video by Triple C's Reactions. Now, some of you may know me as PortalGamer99, maybe some of you watched my old videos, and I don't mean to offend myself here, but they sucked ass! Sorry. Now, this channel, this is gonna be good, okay? This is gonna be real good. Now, my cameraman is also my editor. Thank you, cameraman Railfan. He's in the background here. We're gonna do intervals, yada yada yada. Now, this is going to be my first reaction video. Hopefully you guys like it, and let's go! Okay, so what do we got here? Train Accident Compilation by Chris P. My wingman right there.
What's up?
Shout out to him, and 3, 2, 1, disaster. Rest in peace to anyone who died. Terrible thing. Let's go. That's gonna take a lot of moolah to replace.
He's on the ground. Got a train wreck. There it goes. Train wreck.
Wow.
Train wreck.
Okay, that one was bad. That one was bad. I feel bad for anyone who was in there. God forbid there was anyone in there. Oh my lord. Oh my lord.
Shit!
Oh my gosh.
Holy shit! Holy shit! Holy shit!
Uh-oh, we got snow. Oh! What is this guy doing? Homeboy, you don't do that. When you're filming something like that, you gotta see it through. You don't put your car in reverse. Okay, I'm out of here, bye. You gotta see it through, man. What are you doing? Oh no, 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 come on, you can do it. Come on, speed up, speed up, speed up, speed up, speed up, speed up, speed up. Oh no! Ugh! Oh, rip. Massive rip. Why would you do that? You're just like, uh-oh, I can't start my car. Screw it, I'm out of here. Actually, now that I said that out loud, that actually makes a lot of sense. He couldn't start his car probably, so he's just like, you know what? It's better that I pay for my car to be replaced than to be killed. That's smart. Now that I say that out loud, that makes sense. Never mind. Uh-oh. Oh no. No! Oh! Solid impact. Ooh. Oh! Oh! Oh my god! Those people are deceased. Oh, Oh my lord. I'm I'm trying to keep it PG for little kids that are watching, but oh my god. Oh! Oh my god. Wow. Wow. I feel so bad for any of their families or their girlfriends or if they had kids. Oh! Oh! Did you see that? That one just slid out like it was on an ice rink. Hold up. It's coming around the bend. Pretty high speeds. Should have slowed down, but it didn't. And it just took out one of the bridge supports. Oh my gosh. Wow. Oh! 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 Oh my gosh! Okay, well that's the end of the video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Wow. Okay, well dang. That was unexpected. Save the worst for last, I guess. Holy crap. Okay, well, hopefully you guys enjoyed. Leave a comment down below which one you thought was the worst accident. Rest in peace to all of those people that died or got hurt and probably died. And also leave a comment down below what you guys think I should check out next. And peace out, guys. See you in the next one.